socially complex chimpanzee, the erudite elephant, the fastidious bird, the inventive Bolas spider, the design-minded termite, the inquisitive dolphin, or the inimitable octopus. Which is the most intelligent? Spindle-shaped egg cases hang near the daytime retreats of one of the most incredible spiders. Their lumpy abdomens and odd appearance belie their secret talents. Bolas spiders are small nocturnal arachnoids. The females, at no more than 15 millimeters, or over 10 times larger than the minuscule males. The web of the Bolas spider is unmatched by any other and hardly recognizable as a web at all. Dangling on a horizontal silken cable, she lowers a single thread, a 5-centimeter sticky silk line beaded with gelatinous drops and culminating in one mighty ultra-sticky globule. Her target is a single species of moth. Female moths attract males by releasing potent pheromones which draw them in. Bolas spiders make and release an exact replica of this pheromone. Thinking that they are heading towards a female moth, fluttering males unwittingly head straight for the sticky bulbous trap. As it draws closer, the masterful spider picks up the vibrations of the moth's wings and twirls its thread like a lasso, the viscid Bolas grabbing on to the deceived moth. Reeled in and bound with silk ties, the spider decides whether to eat her victim now or store it away for a meal at a later date. The enormous egg sacs that hold the developing young are close by the daytime hideaways that Bolas spiders make by binding leaves together. Many times bigger than the female, each egg sac will hold around 600 eggs, each forming into an itsy-bitsy spider. Mysterious, creative, and cunning, Bolas have to be some of the most clever arachnids around.